Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover two important topics in the home tab: number format and date format. So let's begin today's video. Here we go. So let's begin with first topic, number format. Okay, here in this worksheet I have different type of number formats available in Excel, which I will explain you one by one. The first one is the general format. General format is nothing but the number as it is, what you put it in the system. Then we have the currency format. Currency format is like having the prefix currency with the number, the currency symbol with the number. And accounting format is like normal accounting format with million or comma separators. Then percentage is giving the numbers with percentage. Comma style is again with the thousand separator. And text format is nothing but the number entered as text. And then we have increased decimal and decreased decimal. So we'll see all this one by one. Now general format is nothing but I will just copy this number here. It's as it is number what you type it. So it's a general format which doesn't have any comma separator or symbol or like percentage format or any other style. So this is the general format. Now we'll go with the second one, that is here currency format. I will just copy this number here, and this number now I need to change into the currency format. So here if you in this home tab in the number ribbon, if you click this launcher here, you will get all these different options available for the numbers. So first one will go with the currency format. So in the currency format you can see there is a symbol given here for the different type of currencies. So you can always select the currency which you want. Say I select this Canadian dollar, so I'll just press that and say OK. So it shows the Canadian dollar 345.56. so this is how the number, this is the general format, and here if you can see the currency format. Now we will move on to the next format, that is accounting format. I will just copy this number here and we will see the next format, that is accounting format. We will not put any symbol, we'll just put nothing, no symbol will put, and we'll just see how the number looks. Here we go. You can see that number has been changed into the accounting format with the million and thousand separator with the 2 decimal places. So this is the normal accounting format which we use in the Excel worksheets. Then we next go to the percentage format. I will just again copy this and show you how this percentage format will look. Again go to this launcher here and just go to this percentage and click OK. Here you go. You can see that this 0.25, which is in the general format, has changed to percentage format with 25% symbol. So this 0.25 is nothing but 25% of some value. So here when you change it to the percentage format, it shows the percentage sign and the whole number. It's 25%. Fine. Now we'll go to the next style, that is comma style of the number format. Again I will just copy this here, and here you can see in this number ribbon here there is a comma here, comma style. So just click here. Here you go. So you get this format as the comma style with million separator and thousand separator. This is the same as accounting format. So there is no much difference between accounting format and comma style. Fine. Now we'll go to the next number format, that is text format. Again we'll copy this here and we'll see how it looks. So now you again go to this launcher and you see here in this number there is one option available for the text here. So just click that text format and say OK. Here you go. You can see that now the number has been aligned on the left hand side as if it is a text. So this number will be treated as text and not as number. So that is the text format. Now we will go to the next two things, that is increased decimal and decreased decimal. Here first we will put this number format into comma style and then we'll see how the increased decimal and decreased decimal works. First we'll go with the increased decimal. Here if you can see this number here, it is 1,125,000.45. but if you see the exact number here, then after decimal places there are 4 digits 0.4523, but if you see here it is only 2 digit is visible because of the number format. So now what we will do is you just click on this cell and then just go here in this number ribbon. You have this two different options available for increased decimal and decreased decimal. This is for decreased decimal, this is for increased decimal. So just click here and you will see one decimal place has been increased, and click again and again you can see that the one more decimal place has come. So this is the full number which has come with the decimal places. So this is how you can increase the decimal places in a particular cell. Now similar to this, we can decrease decimal places. If I go to the next cell here, here the number is the whole number. Now you can see you just go here in this particular field and then just see the decreased decimal. Click here, you can see that now that after decimal there is only one digit, and if you click again you can see it's only whole number. So 1,125,000 is the number here, and the decimal places are being decreased or removed from the number rather. So this is how the decimal places can be increased and decreased. Fine. So these are the different types of number formats available in Excel. You can use it based on your requirement in the particular worksheet. So now we can move on to the other topic in the number format, that's number field. What is number field? Number field is like in some particular Excel worksheet you need to fill the numbers in a serial order, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. So how do you fill that number in particular column? I will explain you with one example. Here you have here number 1 and 2, so it's in series of one addition, that is 1 is added to the next number. So what we need to do is, now I need to copy this serial into the next rows. How do you do that? What I need to do is I need to select these two particular rows with this number 1 and number 2, then just go here on the right hand side. If you see the plus arrow, just drag that arrow till the point you want this series to be filled. Say row number 10, up to row number 10 I have just selected and enter. So you can see that now the number are in serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till row number 10. Similarly you can fill this till whatever number you want and it will show the numbers. Now I will show you another example of filling the numbers with some logical sequences. This is with one addition to the next number. Now it may be possible that you need to have the incremental in different logical addition. Say the first number is 2, the second number is 4, and then you want all the numbers with the even numbers. All even numbers you want the series. So what you will do, again the same thing, just select these two number and drag it till down row number 10, and you can see that now the number are in increment of two numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So this is how the numbers are filled into the particular column. So that's all for number format today. So we have seen that different types of number formats and how the numbers are filled into a particular column with the series. We will move on now to the next topic, that's a date format. So let's go to the date format. Fine. In this worksheet here, I will show you a different format or different style of writing a date. Here in this particular column B, I have mentioned one date which I will show you in all different style and different formats how it looks. So let's begin with the first style. Again, in the home tab here, if you see this number ribbon, in that number ribbon, just click here on this launcher and you will find here a date option here. So in this category you will find the date option. So in the date option, you have in this window, if you see, there are various options available for writing the dates in different formats. So first of all, what we will do, we will select individual styles and we will see how it looks here. So I will just copy this date here and we will see how it looks with that particular style. Here we go. So now this first style here is, say, this one. Press OK and you will see that it has been changed in that format, 14th January 2020. That's all. Now next I have another format here. I'll just write it here. So you just see the other formats. Okay, so this is 14 January 20. Similarly, you can go ahead with some other formats. See here. Again, we'll see some other formats. Fine. We will see another format now. That is the year is first is year and then the month and then the day. So it's like 2020 January 14. So this is another format for the date. So similarly, you can have all different type of formats. Now we will move on to the next date format, or rather you can say date field command, where you can fill the date in the serial order. I have here the 14th January 2020 as my first date, and I need to fill this date in a serial number, say 15, 16, 17 January, 18 January and so on. So what I need to do is just click here in this particular cell, and here on the right hand corner you will find a plus sign. Just drag that till the point you want the serial number of the date. Here you go. You can see that now the date has been filled with in the serial number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can do this till end of the month or till end of the year or whatever number you want. So this is how the date can be filled. It can be filled in horizontal or vertical. That can be in column or even rows also you can fill these dates in the similar way. So this is how the date field command works. Fine. Now we will go to the next date command, that is equal to now function. This is a date function available in Excel which will give you the current date, like current date and time it will show when you press this command. So I will just write here equal to now, open bracket and close bracket, press enter. If you press enter, you will see that today's date has come on the screen with the exact time as of now. So this particular command is mostly used in a report format where we need to have the report for a current date with the current time printed on it. So this command you can put it there in the report and it will show the current date. So always when you refresh the report the next days or next week or next month, it will show the current date on the report and it will print accordingly. So this is how this command is being used. Fine. Now in this date functions we have one options of, like, say, calculating the number of days from the current date. So you want to know that number of days, calculation of days from particular date to particular date. Say here in this example I have mentioned from 14th January 2020, that is, I can say it's a current date, and this 14th August 2019 is the previous date. So how I will calculate the number of days between these two dates? It's very simple. Just deduct the greater date from the smaller date. So I'll just click here this date minus this date and enter. So you will find that answer is 153, that is 153 days between these two dates. So this is how you calculate the number of days between two dates. So in the date function we have seen all the different type of dates, different formats of the dates available. Then date field command, how you fill the dates in the serial order. Then equal to now command, this is a function available for the date which gives you the current date as on date, and time also shows the current time. Then we saw that how the difference between the dates are calculated, which can be used in various worksheets, various applications to find certain calculations. So these are the date functions available, mainly the basic functions available, but the advanced date functions we will learn in another videos. So today we have learned these two number formats and date formats. In number formats we have seen the different type of formats available for the numbers, and number field command we saw how the series is filled with the numbers. Then in date command we have the different types of different formats of the dates. Then the field command for the date also we have seen. Then this equal to now command, and this calculation of number of days between these two dates. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe.